Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Strawberry Toy Box is probably one of the most charming and practical storage solutions for any child's room, offering a delightful way to keep toys organized while adding a whimsical touch to the decor. This adorable strawberry-shaped container isn't just a place to stash playthings, it's a decorative piece that sparks imagination and encourages tidiness, making it a fantastic addition for parents looking to blend functionality with fun. Its generous capacity can hold a multitude of toys, from building blocks to stuffed animals, helping to maintain a clutter-free environment and transforming cleanup time into a more enjoyable experience for both kids and adults alike. Number 5. GirlZone Scented Marker Set, 38 Vibrant Colors. Unleash your creativity with our vibrant scented markers. These colorful tools make art time an exciting adventure with delightful fruity fragrances. Enjoy worry-free art sessions thanks to the washable ink. They come in a convenient case, making them perfect for creative fun at home or on the go. Ignite your child's imagination with these markers, perfect for ages 4 and up. They transform any drawing into a colorful masterpiece, encouraging artistic exploration. These markers are a must-have for school projects and home crafts. They add a fun twist to art supplies, promoting creativity and learning. Give the gift of imagination with this fantastic marker set. It's an ideal present for birthdays or holidays, inspiring young artists to express themselves with color and scent. What we like. These markers offer a delightful sensory experience with their fruity scents and a wide array of vibrant colors. The washable ink ensures that art sessions are mess-free, making them perfect for travel. If you're looking for a fun and easy-to-clean art supply for young children, especially for on-the-go creativity, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. She has literally used them every day for months now and takes them with her everywhere she goes. They smell great, have great color and assorted size markers. The little compartments with zippers and the fact that it just rolls up easily and sticks itself closed with Velcro with is wonderful. The markers are great quality and she has so much fun smelling the scents as she colors. The Filstift riechen angenehm fruchtig, malen kraftig und lassen sich gut verwenden. Die Federmap sieht hübsch aus. Ist gut verarbeitet und Biotet genugen Platz. Ideal für Schule, Freizeit oder Creative Bastelstunden. Number 4. VASAGLE Farmhouse Style Storage Bench. This spacious bench offers a roomy compartment to hide away extra blankets, pillows, clothes, or books. Keep your space tidy and clutter-free with ample hidden storage. Designed with your safety in mind, it features 2 safety hinges to prevent the lid from slamming shut. Easy-to-grip side handles and a front cutout make it convenient to move and open. You can sit on it with confidence to change your shoes, as the top supports up to 300 pounds. The compartment also holds up to 300 pounds, allowing you to store plenty of items. Its chic farmhouse style makes it a perfect addition to any room. Use it as a shoe bench in your entryway, an end-of-bed bench, or a storage chest in your living room. Don't worry about complicated setups. Assembly is straightforward with easy-to-follow instructions and numbered parts. You'll have it ready in no time. What we like. This storage bench provides generous hidden storage for essentials like blankets, pillows, or shoes, helping to keep your space tidy. Its safety hinges ensure secure operation, and the sturdy construction supports significant weight for seating. If you need a stylish and functional piece of furniture for your entryway or bedroom that offers both seating and discreet storage, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The quality is honestly way better than I expected, sturdy, great material, and it looks so clean and pretty. And the best part? The safety hinges. The lid stays open while you're grabbing things so it doesn't slam down on your hands. A nicely made and nice-sized item that we are using for a toy box. Assembly and instructions were a breeze. Number 3. KOKODI Toddler Learning Talking Flashcards. Engage with your little ones using this fun, interactive toy. It's designed to boost language skills and coordination while offering adjustable volume for a comfortable experience. It's also a great sensory tool for children with autism. This talking flashcard set introduces 224 sight words for toddlers aged 2 to 5. It helps children connect words with real-life sounds and visuals, making learning an immersive experience. Turn word learning into an exciting activity. This toy encourages children to practice pronunciation, serving as an excellent tool for cognitive development. Its size is perfect for little hands. Give your child a break from screens with this innovative learning device. It requires no internet or electronic screen, focusing purely on educational fun and practice. Designed for easy use by toddlers, simply insert the cards and let the learning begin. Its compact size makes it easy for children to take their learning companion anywhere. Looking for an educational gift? This toy is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion, offering both learning and imaginative play for children aged 3 to 5. What we like? This educational toy offers an engaging way for toddlers to learn sight words through interactive play, fostering language skills without relying on screens. It provides a tactile and auditory learning experience, connecting words with real-life concepts. If you are seeking a screen-free, educational gift for a toddler that promotes cognitive development and early literacy, this talking flashcard set is ideal. What people say. Helps her learn and recognize animals and their sounds and pronunciation. The different sounds is nice for certain cards. The language is English with decent pronunciation. The cards cover a wide range of topics like animals, foods, vehicles, and daily items, which makes it great for vocabulary building and early learning. The device is easy for little hands to use, and kids enjoy pressing the cards and hearing the words spoken out loud. It keeps them interested and helps with language development in a playful way. Number 2. Hape Multicolor Smoothie Blender Play Set. Get ready to blend up some fun. This interactive toy lets kids create their own pretend smoothies with realistic spinning action. It comes with everything needed to make and share delicious pretend drinks, including cups and straws for friends. Teach your little ones about the importance of healthy eating by making nutritious smoothies with colorful pretend fruits and vegetables. Expand the playtime possibilities by combining this set with other Hape food play sets to create a grand feast. Crafted from durable, high-quality wood with non-toxic finishes, this toy is designed for safe and long-lasting play. Recommended for children aged 3 and up, it's a wonderful way to encourage imaginative and healthy play. What we like? This play blender set features realistic spinning action, encouraging children to engage with the concept of healthy eating by making pretend smoothies. Made from durable, high-quality wood, it's built for long-lasting play. If you want a toy that promotes imaginative play and teaches children about nutrition in a fun, hands-on way, this kitchen accessory is a fantastic option. What people say. It's great quality if you want a wooden toy, well worth the money. It does spin, but you have to manually press the button down, which he loves to do. The smoothie pieces that go in the cup are a little finicky to get on straight. I love that the blender spins, but it isn't loud, and the fruit pieces are felt, so it's very quiet. The materials used in making are good, as expected from this company. Number 1. Ditucu Cute Boba Tea Plush Pillow. Introducing the Ditucu Cute Boba Tea Plush Pillow, a soft and cuddly companion perfect for all ages. Made with high-quality plush fabric and filled with PP cotton, it's designed for ultimate comfort and durability. Crafted from eco-friendly plush cotton, this pillow offers a superior skin touch feeling. It's securely stitched to maintain its shape, ensuring it remains a beloved item for a long time. Choose the perfect fit from 3 different sizes, 9.4 inches, 13.7 inches, or 19.6 inches. We also offer various styles to match your personal preferences. This huggable pillow is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Use it as a comforting pillow for naps, back support, or simply to relieve stress after a long day. Surprise your loved ones with this delightful bubble tea pillow. It's a wonderful gift for anyone who adores milk tea or boba, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Your plush toy arrives vacuum-packed for convenience. Simply place it in the sun or dryer, and it will regain its full, fluffy shape in no time. What we like? This plush pillow offers a soft and cuddly companion, perfect for hugging, napping, or simply adding a cute decorative touch to any room. Available in multiple sizes, it provides comfort and can even serve as a tool for stress relief. If you're looking for a comforting gift for a fan of bubble tea, or simply a plush friend that offers both coziness and charm, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. Color-matched photo, great quality, functionality is I guess good because I do hug it to sleep lol. Adorable face, squishy and huggable, and it's pink. Purchased the 9-inch. Good price and perfect size for loving, hugging, and for a little girl's imagination. It is soft, trendy, and has a zipper to be able to unstuff and wash if needed. Color are true to the photos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.